guys, welcome back to the ODR. Today, we're going to learn how to do the Simmonds.
Ivan Provorov, right back to Tippett. Got it in that range, right between the legs, he scores! Vintage JVR to take over the team leading goals.
That opens up some space right there for JVR to operate. Puts it through his own legs, puts it underneath the blocker and the arm.
Today, we're joined with two-time champ, ODR champion, and water boy. Plays on the left bench, Evan Davinsky.
So, let's get into it. Okay boys, this is how we're going to do the Simmonds. So first off, you're going to be receiving the pass from the board side, and then you're going to be right on the net. So depending on if you're right or left, if you're right-handed, you're going to be on the right side of the net. And if you're left-handed, you're going to do this on the left side. But I'm right-handed, so I'm going to be doing this on the right side of the net. And you're going to be off of the net, so your stick is like away from the net a little bit. So the first thing is you don't have to receive a pass. So I get Glenski to pass me the puck. And when he passes me the puck, you're going to receive it over here. But instead of just receiving it dead, he's going to pass it to me, and then I'm going to deflect it through the legs, just like that. So let's do nice and slow. So Glenski passed me the puck again. So deflect, and it goes through the legs. So that's the first thing, and that takes practice of being able to direct it. So once you get that down, then the next thing would be Glenski passing me the puck. So then when I get it, I'm going to deflect it through my legs, and I'm going to put my stick like this, and you're going to be looking kind of backwards. And when it's about here, when the puck is about here, you're going to try to meet it, and you're going to try to shoot it in while you're looking back. Just like this. So I'll do one a little bit slow. Deflect it through the legs. And when it gets to here, then I'm going to shoot it. Just like that. Just kind of like that. So that's how we do the Simmonds. Do it one more time. Receive and shoot. So you receive, deflect it through the legs, and then put your stick. You're twisting it like that, like you're gonna ride a horse, and shoot it. That's all, boys. This is the ODR Kings, the ODR skis, whatever you want to call us. We're out.
Alright boys, that's it for today's video. Special thanks to Evan for coming out today.
Party on, rock on, boys. That's how we get on the ODR. And this is inspired by Wayne Simmonds. Life inspiration, ODR legend himself, Wayne Simmonds. Thanks for watching the video.
We'll catch you guys next time.
Party on!